Most people are using ChatGPT, but they're not making any money. And the reason is simple. They're using it like a toy instead of using it like a tool. Right now, millions of people are asking ChatGPT random questions, testing it, playing with it, but at the end of the day, where they're still broke, no income, no results. But at the same time, there are beginners who are quietly using ChatGPT to make real money online. Not expert, not developers, just normal people who understand one simple thing, how to use AI the right way. Some are making their first $10, some are making $50 a year, and some are even hitting $100 per day. And the craziest part is, they're not doing anything complicated. They're just using ChatGPT to complete simple tasks faster than others. So the question is, what exactly are they doing? But here's something interesting. While most people are just scrolling, watching videos, and thinking about making money online, there's a small group of people who are quietly using ChatGPT to build real income. Not experts, not tech geniuses, not people with years of experience, just normal people, students, beginners, freelancers who understood one simple shift. They stopped using AI for fun and started using it as a tool. Right now, people are making money by writing content, or creating scripts, or helping businesses, or automating simple tasks, and saving hours of work using ChatGPT. And because they can do things faster, they can take more work and earn more money. Some are making their first $10 online, some are hitting $50 per day, and some are quietly crossing $100 per day without showing off on social media. And the crazy part is, this is not some complicated system. No coding, no investment, no advanced skills, just understanding one thing: how to use ChatGPT to solve real problems. Because at the end of the day, money doesn't come from tools, money comes from value. And ChatGPT is just a tool that helps you deliver that value faster. So in this video, I'm gonna break down a simple step-by-step method that beginners are using right now to start making money with ChatGPT. And if you actually follow this, you can go from zero to your first online income much faster than you think. Step one, let's stop using ChatGPT for entertainment, and start using it for value. Most people open ChatGPT and ask random questions, like things that don't help them earn anything. But people who make money, use it differently. They use it to solve problems, because online, money is always connected to problems. If you can solve a problem, you can make money. For example, businesses need content every day. They need captions, emails, product descriptions, ads, but they don't have the time to do it themselves. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. Instead of writing everything manually, you can use ChatGPT to generate content in seconds. And your job is not to do the work from scratch. Your job is to guide the AI. You give it clear instructions and it gives you results. And once you understand this, everything becomes easier. Step two, turn this into a simple service. Now here's where beginners win. You don't need a business idea. You don't need a website. You just need to offer a simple service. For example, you can help businesses create Instagram captions, email campaigns, and product descriptions, short video scripts. These are simple tasks, but businesses are already paying for them. So what you do is use ChatGPT to complete these tasks faster. Let's say a client wants 10 captions. Instead of thinking for hours, You type a prompt like, write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a fitness brand targeting beginners, and within seconds, you have multiple options. Now, don't just copy and paste. Take the best ones, right, and improve them slightly and deliver, right? That's how you add value, and because you're faster, you can handle more clients. More clients means more money. Step 3, get your first client. This is where most people hesitate. They think, I'm not ready yet. I need to learn more. But the truth is, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a simple profile. Write clearly what you offer. For example, I help businesses create content using ChatGPT, then create 2 to 3 simple gigs. Keep your price low in the beginning. Maybe $5 or $10, because your first goal is not to make big money. Your first goal is to get your first result. Once you complete one order and get one review, everything starts changing. More people trust you, more clients message you, and slowly you build momentum. Step 4, scale this into real income. Once you start getting clients, right, you'll notice something important. ChatGPT saves you time. A task that used to take hours, right, can now be done in minutes, and this changes everything, because now you're not limited by time. You can handle more clients without working all day. Now here's what you should do. Start building a system, save your best prompts, create templates, organize your workflow. So every time you get work, you don't start from zero, you just reuse and improve. This makes you faster, more consistent, and more confident. And over time, you can charge more. You can take bigger projects. You can even outsource work. That's how people go from $5 order, to $100 per day and beyond. So at the end of the day, making money with ChatGPT is not about being smart. It's about taking action. Right now, some people are using these tools to build income, and others are just watching videos. The opportunity is there for everyone. But results only come to those who start. You don't need perfect skills. You don't need perfect knowledge. You just need to begin. And if you want to learn more ways to make money with AI, simple methods that actually work, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be sharing more videos that can help you earn online. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.